Let's take a look at editing the appearance of the anchor tag on a page. I'm going to my style sheet that has other style definitions. I'm going to make a new style definition, calling it just the A for anchor. One thing that we could change is the color of the anchor, which is the color of the text. Let's make it black. #000, or just writing the word black. And now I'll save the style file. Let me refresh this index page. Now all of our hyperlinks are in black with an underline underneath it. Let's add some more styling to this. What if we change the font size to 16 pixels and the font weight to bold? Let's take a look at it again. Save the style sheet, refresh. All right, getting there. What about this underline? Text appearing in page. Excellent. Now you're giving site visitors a clue that this is a hyperlink, something that they could click on. Remember, when people are on phones, they don't get this cursor that when you roll over a hyperlink, you know it's clickable. You have to rely upon visual stylings in order to let people on tablets and phones, touchscreens know an element is clickable. If this was going to be a navigational element, our main nav bar, then having underlines underneath it might not look visually pleasing from a design point of view. Let's get rid of the underlines. Do that by modifying the text decoration, and I'll write none. Don't forget the semicolon. Saving, refreshing, line is now gone. All right, what else? I did mention there's other states of the hyperlink. One of the states is the hover state, A:hover. And let's make this color orange. Save. We're not going to see any changes until we roll over, and now we see our orange text, which is very hard to read on this gray background. Maybe I'll make it red. Save. So for the desktop experience, when people roll over, hover over your link, it appears in red. For mobile, they're not going to be able to see that it's appearing in red. I really don't need to repeat all this other stuff because the hover is being inherited from the anchor tag. All I need, really, is just the color for the hover state, because the anchor tag itself defines font size, font weight, and text decoration none. The anchor hover will override the color of the main anchor. Saving that, refresh, we should see no change whatsoever, which is excellent. Another cool one that can be modified is the active state. The moment when someone clicks on the link itself. Let me make this a gray color, which would be CCC. Refreshing it. On roll over, it's red. On click, you can see that it's changing to light gray, allowing people know that they're clicking on the element. If you don't want this to happen, you could just not add the active state or just make the active state the same as the original anchor. Your choice. The next part is spacing and then the positioning of the nav on the page.